Hello!
Hello, is this Barnum and Bailey's Circus?
This is the circus, young man.
Well, I am here to apply for the job that was posted in the newspaper.
Oh, the job. Oh, I'm afraid that's been filled.
Oh.
It's very competitive anyways. Do you have any experience? Anything you could...
Well, as a little kid, I've always wanted to join the carny, you know. And so I can balance.
You can balance this.
Again, I can.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you think fast? Balance that.
Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, I can. And watch, I can balance it on my... See that?
Okay.
And then, I'm really good. I can balance it on my chin. Here we go.
Just scrunch down a bit.
Here we go.
Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm fairly impressed. All right. Toss the stool back to me.
Okay. Oh, here it comes.
All right. And
Excellent.
All right. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to test your. What can I test? I'm going to test your agility. I'm just going to bend down. Oh, there we go. And get some. There we go. You ready for this?
Yes.
All right. Now back up a bit. There we go. Oh, yes. Now, what I need you to do is I need you to grab these balls out of midair. Just snatch them out of the air. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow.
Fast.
That was good. Here comes another one. That's like, you make it look like it's in slow motion.
Yes, and watch.
Okay, show me some juggling.
Here we go. Oh, whoa!
Wow, one went right through the ceiling.
It did.
That's good.
I guess that won't go in the air at once and catch.
Let me try that.
Look at that.
That's
Good.
amazing.
I'll throw them over to you.
All right. And a snatchy.
This will be underhand.
Okay. Oh, and I got it. Now, what I need you to do is I need you to be able to, you throw it up, you catch it before it hits the ceiling. You throw it up, you catch it. And some of these balls might actually look like they're staying stationary. See what I mean? Because your hands are moving so fast that people think, look at those balls. Those balls are staying in the air. And
Wow.
actually what you're doing is you're juggling. It's juggling.
I can tell you've had many years of experience,
I've
sir.
had many years of experience. How do you feel about lion taming?
I love lions.
Do you?
Yes.
Let me just put these balls away. I'm just I'll put them over here. Oh, there we go. Right there on the floor. And back up. All right. Now here's what I want you to do. You see the stool behind me?
Yes,
That's a good firm stool.
it is.
Now, what I want you to do is I want you to practice being a lion tamer.
Yes.
All right? But not the tamer part. I want you to be the lion
The
first.
lion.
No
Are you
one.
short on lions?
We're short on lions. Nobody knows that actually a lion taming act is half lion tamer and the other half is actually lion.
I've actually got the mane. See, look at that.
You do.
That's
You do. So here's what I want you to do. Just come on over here. There you go.
Oh, excuse me.
That's okay.
Oh, wow.
You're a good boy.
Oh, yes.
All right.
You want me to climb up on this stool?
Just hop up.
Okay, I'm just gonna move it over a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Hop up on the stool.
Okay, here we go. We'll just climb up.
I'm just tapping my foot here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Wow, you're limber.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh.
Yes. That's good.
Okay, I'm ready.
That's good. You're good. And you're pulling the stool right up off the ground. That's
All right.
amazing.
Okay.
So you're a lion tamer with the power of levitation.
Oh, let me just move down here, but all right, here we go. Okay,
That's perfect.
I am ready.
That's all right. That's good. Now face me. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Just sort of. Yes.
I've got great balance.
You make it look so easy.
Oh, yes. Oh, my God.
That's good.
All right.
That's awesome. All right. Now here's what I'm gonna do. All right. You're the lion. You're balanced. What? You're balancing on one leg. That's amazing.
I told you I was incredible at balancing.
I'm very seriously considering hiring you 1 day a week. All right. Now, that's good, lion. That's good. And it looks like you're perched. You're ready to leap.
I am.
All right. Now, if I whip you, you're gonna claw into the air.
Okay.
Right?
Ah!
That's good. That's good. I'm gonna do it again.
Ah!
Now listen. The third time I'm going to whip, I want you to leap over my head.
All right.
Are you ready?
I can do that.
Leap off the stool,
Okay.
over my head, and I want you to land on all fours.
All right.
Are you ready? All right, ready?
Ah!
Oh no, here he comes! Oh,
Oh!
good.
Oh!
Good so far.
Oh!
That's good leaping.
And I will spin
Yes.
all around.
I'm all crunchied up here.
Oh!
And on all fours.
Oh!
That was perfect. Now how do you feel? Because you look good.
I feel like a lion.
Awesome. Now, watch it. How do you feel about the human pyramid?
Oh. Well, I'm good at balancing.
All right. Well, this isn't just balance, it's strength as well. So get all fours on the ground.
Okay.
I'm going to climb right on top of you.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, here I come.
I'm ready.
Just walking right over, and there I go.
Okay.
I'm just going to jump on you like that.
All right.
Is that hard for you?
No, it's not.
I've got my hands right on your buttocks. Is that
I
okay?
can feel that, yes.
It's very firm.
Fine. I'm okay with that.
All right, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a headstand. Huh?
Ta-da!
How do you like that?
Now watch this.
Okay?
I will go to one hand.
Okay?
And I will balance. I have one hand gone, one leg gone. I will push up. Oh. Whoa! I am now supporting you with one hand, and your head is on my back.
That is amazing. My head is in the small of your back, the very sweatiest part of your body. Guaranteed.
It is incredible.
All right, I'm going to leap down.
Oh! Now I've got one more trick to show you.
One more.
Yes, look, I'm on
It's a veritable cornucopia of tricks you've got.
It's a handstand,
Yes?
and then I will flip in the air to my feet. Ready?
Okay.
Push. Here we go. Whoa! Look at me! Look at this! Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa! Here we go.
That
Yeah,
was amazing.
I'm good.
All right.
So do I have the job or not?
Well, I'm thinking you've got the job.
Excellent.
All right. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go into costuming, okay? Take the third door down the hallway. Tell them you're looking for the blue leotards.
Blue leotards.
All right?
And I will ride my imaginary horse out.
Excellent.
Because
I like
horse
it.
riding is part of the circus.
Oh, ride the pony, my friend. Ride the
Here we
pony.
go. All right. Goodbye, friend.
Bye.
Saddle up. Here we go.
Yeah!